everybody, Tammy here, and I'm with Malibu, and she and I are showing you a very cool present I got for my birthday. I thought this would be a good topic for this month's collab that I'm hosting. It's the Celebrate collab, and if you do a search on hashtag 2020 Dolls Celebrate, you will see some other people who are joined in on this collab. I do one every month. In fact, there's only a couple more months of 2022 left, so we've got November, which, like I said, our theme is Celebrate, and then we have one more left, December. The December theme is Gifts, so I hope you can join in on that one. So anyway, you can see she is wearing this adorable little happy birthday outfit that Marna from Dolls Rescued made for me. And so yeah, she's wearing that, and it was my birthday. My birthday's actually on Veterans Day here in the U.S., so it's really nice because I always end up getting my my birthday off because that is it's a federal holiday here. So, and I either have always worked for schools or I've worked for before that I typically worked for contractors who work for the government, and they are typically closed down for Veterans Day. Behind her you can see this very, very cool basket, and I am going to move her out of the way here in a minute, put this camera on a tripod, and show you a little bit more about what's inside of this very cool container. Alright, here you go. So you might have actually seen this before. A couple of years ago I showed the exact same thing, and actually I use it for my sewing. And my husband knows how much I liked it, and I talked about getting a second one, but I never did because I thought this would be very useful for jewelry making as well, which is another hobby of mine. However, I'm also kind of thinking I might be able to use it for doll customizing supplies, and then that way when I have to move over to a bigger table, I could like put all my pencils and stuff, my watercolor pencils down here. Obviously this section here with these little divider things would be good for eye chips and screws and that kind of thing. I don't know yet though. I don't know if this is going to be for jewelry making or if this is going to be for customizing dolls. I'm not sure yet. So right now it's still empty because I have to figure out what I'm going to do with it. I don't know. Like I said, it would also be good for jewelry making because you could put your tools in here, and you can see it's got this nice, really nice handle. He got this from Garrett Wade, and I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but I have purchased items from them before, and I've always been very happy. Their stuff isn't cheap, but it's all super high quality, and if you just keep an eye on their website, they typically have some pretty decent sales, especially around the holidays. But they have all kinds of tools and, you know, stuff that crafty people like, as well as gardeners, or, you know, mainly tools, a lot of tool related items. So anyway, this is what I am celebrating, this really cool gifty that I got for my birthday from the hubby. So let me know down below what you think about it. If you had it, what would you use it for? In fact, let me know that in the comments below. And make sure you do a search on hashtag 2020 Doll Celebrate and see what everybody else came up with in YouTube land. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Please give this a thumbs up. Bye-bye.